According to information from the Ministry of Commerce, the stable and high-quality export price has created a huge advantage for Vietnam's rice exports in the early months of 2022. However, in order for rice exports to reach higher values, many opinions say that the issue of quality plays a very important role. At the same time, in order for exports to be sustainable, enterprises need to focus on investing in quality issues as well as raising the price of rice. This is because domestic rice companies are constantly investing in improving the quality of rice to meet the demands of the domestic and foreign markets, including the Best Rice brand. It is known that the company responsible for the Best Rice is a company specializing in distributing good rice such as ST25 rice, purple rice, and dragon blood rice for the health of consumers. As a result, the rice products of the company all comply with the criteria such as not having a large amount of pesticides, not using chemicals, high protein content, and being produced and packaged according to the HACCP standard. With an unceasingly improving quality, the Best Rice brand is not only accepted by consumers in the country, but also exported to the difficult markets such as the United States. In particular, recently, the company has also signed a long-term partnership with Graden Trading USA to distribute the best ST25 rice of the company to the US market. I want to bring Vietnamese rice to the international market. I went to many conferences and asked people about rice, but they didn't know Vietnamese rice. I will bring Vietnamese rice to the world, so that everyone knows that Vietnamese rice is the best rice. The best rice here is the best quality rice produced by Graden in Vietnam. It is also suitable for the environment where people all over the world like to eat organic rice. It is known that exporting rice to the US market has harmed businesses that have to meet a lot of strict requirements, such as farmland and factories. In particular, ST25 rice from Graden Not Company is produced from commercial rice plants, grown from S1 rice, and applied to organic farming methods with suitable fertilizers. In particular, the company is the only unit to apply Ocelot organic fertilization technology to help rice seeds be preserved for a long time and still retain their natural fragrance. I have a problem. The Best Rice Company has to do well in serving the American market and serve the domestic market and serve the people in Vietnam. The first problem is quality stability, and the price must be stable, so that everyone can use ST25 rice. The second problem is that we will try to. Although there will be a relatively large number of exports, we will make sure that the domestic market can also ensure the quality of rice, especially ST25 rice, to maintain the quality of rice. We will build 2 to 4 more rice mills to grow rice. The fourth problem is that we are going to have a memorandum with Graden about import a large number of organic products to serve the people. And especially, we will prioritize. Now, ST25 rice is very popular in the market. Why is there a difference in quality between HT25 and HT25? The reason is the real and fake rice. When it comes to the real rice, we have to determine from the beginning that we choose the seed. The seed must be from Uncle Ho Quang Qua. When the HT25 seed from Uncle Ho Quang Qua is produced, it is the F1 seed. Therefore, when the rice is produced, the rice is very fragrant. And it has a different taste. It has a special softness, toughness and fragrance, which is characteristic of the pandan leaves of HT25 rice. It can be said that from the business results, the official rice exports of businesses in the first 2 months of 2022, the announcement that this year's rice exports will have a strong breakthrough, this is also an opportunity for the Best Rice brand to speed up and gain more success in the future.